khakis. It's a fishing trip. Kind of. Day 3 vlogging, and this is my room. I haven't shown you. This is my bed, and when I wake up every morning, that is the view I have from my bed. So literally here to there. So my earlier part of the vlog was me going to the shop because I needed some shoes to go to the beach, do some fishing again maybe later. This is my cousin's bed, and this is our room. Basically it's kind of messy, but we have a sick view. It's a sick room. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a tour of this house or chalet and try and show you the rest of it, because I know it's day 3 and I haven't shown you yet, so I'm gonna try and do that now. Auntie's room, main bedroom.
Give me check on it.
Wait,
Give me check.
wait.
Give it check. All the same.
If you don't know about Deco by now, rude boy, check out the.
Got it.